Hello everyone, welcome back to Privacy Papa. Here we are with the topic of spam versus phishing. Today, let's discuss the difference between spam and phishing. What is the spam? Have you ever received emails and messages from an advertising agency? Many of us do. Even I, you, and everyone receives the messages from advertising media. This is called spamming. Now, let's discuss phishing. Did you know many Indians are getting phished every day? According to NCRB, about 50,035 cases were registered alone in 2020. And you know, lakhs of cases are not even registered. People across the globe receive messages and emails asking for their bank details. Phishing is a type of activity where hackers or phishers send messages, emails, fake invoices, fish advance payments, and messages from HR scams. Many of them gets into these fake trolls and get phished. Now let's know more about the differences of phishing and spamming. Phishing is a kind of spam attack often utilized in intersection with a spoofed email made to look as if it is legit, but it is not. But on the other hand, spamming is primarily junk news group posting exemplifying emails advertising for some sort of counterfeit products. That is why spam is known as a junk mail for good reasons. It has existed for almost as long as the internet itself and has the motive of selling fake products and services to a larger market of buyers if people ever express their interest in these products or services. After obtaining the email addresses of a huge number of individuals, spammers bulk send their offers to hundreds or even thousands at a time. Common type of spam includes prayer chain forwards, coupons, adult content, donation solicitation, and unwanted newsletters. They are usually commercial in nature and not expressly malicious. The Can Spam Act of 2013 helped to decrease the problems of spam by mandating opt-out links and requiring senders to promptly honor those opt-out links. Whereas spam is simply unwanted, phishing is expressly designed by a malignant actor to harm a computer or individual by obtaining sensitive information. It often takes the forms of a seemingly legitimate looking message from a trusted sender. Phishing emails target banking credentials, passwords, cash advance, or other information of value. Identity theft often trails phishing. Now here are some signs of phishing emails include misspelled words, discrepancies between the language of links and the URLs they are directed to, requests for personal information forms within emails, highly emotional or charged language. You can also protect yourself against phishing attempts by knowing common signs of phishing scams. Number 1. Do not provide personal information via emails. If you are unsure about the email's legitimacy, always refer to the sender's main website. Do not open messages from unknown senders. Change your passwords periodically. Employ an up-to-date antivirus solution. Spam is sent to every person. It's for the purpose of advertising and publicity of a product. The main purpose of phishing is hacking bank accounts and obtaining personal information. Spams are sent by the spammers and the advertising agencies. They are automated and sent to everyone for publicity of a product. Contrary to that, phishing is done by the hackers who have excellent knowledge of computer and its working. The hackers has a very great knowledge of computer language as well. On the other hand, spamming does not require knowledge about computers and computer languages. Phishing requires proficiency in computer languages like cybersecurity and Python. The knowledge you acquire should be used for the welfare of others, not to steal and rob the other peoples. So that's it for today, my friends. If you liked the video, then like the video and share the video with your friends, relatives and colleagues so that they could also get the information. And if you want to support us, then subscribe to our channel and put a comment for more informative videos like this. Thank you.